Welcome to Casebook Connect, home to connected ebooks, connected quizzing, and Practice Perfect. Take a tour of the platform to see what's new and how you and your students can get the most out of Casebook Connect. In your connected ebook, the Read section contains your ebook and notebook, including your outlines, case briefs, and notepad in a highly efficient split-screen view. Anytime your students add a highlight or annotation to the ebook, that content is synced in real time to display in their outline, enabling students to think critically about the legal concepts they're highlighting and curate an outline as they read. As a professor, you can share a link with your class by selecting text, adding the link address, and checking the Share with Students checkbox. Once saved, you'll see the link sharing icon in the left margin of your ebook, and students will see the text you highlighted as a dotted underline in their ebook. If you have a casebook, in the Case Briefs tab, highlights are grouped by color, meaning students can further synthesize the information and develop their case brief as they read. You and your students can add labels to the case brief sections and even export case briefs for further editing. There are several ways to navigate inside your ebook, including the Contents dropdown, the Page Selector tool, and the Search feature. Critical additions like auto-suggest and recent searches will enable you to find and refer to legal concepts quickly. The results make searching simple and convenient to scan the entire ebook in just a couple clicks, saving you time while preparing your lecture and during class. All ebooks are also equipped for offline access. You can select any and all chapters of your ebooks to use offline. Once your offline link is generated, save it in your browser favorites or bookmarks to use in your browser without an internet connection. If you have a connected ebook with Study Center, you'll find that the Study Center is one of the most powerful tools in Casebook Connect because it connects learning objectives in your connected ebook to content in our most popular study aids, giving your students access to hundreds of practice questions, and giving you access to important analytics about your students' understanding. The Study Center displays aggregate class performance on a variety of levels, starting with overall chapter performance. Click View Topics for a chapter to view the set of learning objectives and the overall topic performance. Expand a topic to view the question types and question type performance. You may also see resources that your students can use, like videos and explanations that you can review as well. Below each question type is a specialized student preview, which enables you to view and answer the questions as a student would. After answering a question in the Study Center, your students can choose how well their response matches up to the rationale provided. Their selection reflects back on their Study Center progress charts, as well as your aggregate charts, and enables you and your students to identify strengths and weaknesses. For even more performance analysis, click on a question type chart. This page in the Study Center displays the question set as a list for easy review with the total student performance for each question. Expand a question to see the rationale or model answer. This is also where you'll find the endorsement tool. If you like a particular question, endorse it. And when your students view that question, they will see a message saying you've endorsed it. This feature is especially helpful when assigning questions in the Study Center as practice. To view aggregate class performance in the Study Center, your most important task as a professor is to create a class on the Insights page. Fill out the class name and description fields, and Casebook Connect will generate a class code that you can copy and share with your students. You can also upload your class syllabus or any other relevant documents. As students begin to enroll in your class, you'll be able to see their names in the class list. Again, creating a class enables you to share links with students in the ebook and view their aggregate Study Center performance. Your connected ebook may also be equipped with additional resources. This helpful content is written by the author of your book and is contained in the Resources section for you to explore at any time. Finally, the dashboard contains your bookshelf, where you can navigate to different products you've redeemed, as well as redeem new products. This is also where you'll find the Legal News section, which displays timely, real-world articles relevant to the subject areas you're teaching. We hope this overview encourages you to explore everything Casebook Connect has to offer. If you have any questions, visit our Help Center for additional information or to contact customer support.